Here is my Mainstays blue or royal blue 20-inch box fan. And yes, they do make these fans today. Do they still make it in the blue color scheme, the royal blue color scheme? I'm pretty sure they do. If you go to Walmart, that's where I didn't buy this from Walmart. Actually, I bought it at the time from Amazon. But since these are known for being sold at Walmart, if you go to Walmart, I'm pretty sure they still have it today. You can find this under many different brand names. Polonis, Utilitech, House to Home, and then all the other weird Chinese brand names. Everybody slaps their names on this same fan. Now, these fans don't have the best air dynamics because the way the guard is made is kind of like air restricted. But I will say that the motor is probably ball bearing because it does have a very, very long spin down time. And no, it's not because the blades are heavy. Although that might play a slight part in it. It's because the motor is ball bearing or dual ball bearing. This is made by Medea. Medea has been around for a very long time. And yes, they still produce these fans right to this very day. So with all that being said, I'm not going to bore you with a long speech about it. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and run it quickly because I'm tired and I'm getting ready to go to sleep at 2 a.m. This is, I believe that's low speed or... No, that's high speed. This one starts with high, medium, and then low. Don't worry about it. You're not going to hear the wind stream. Just try to enjoy the video. I haven't filmed this thing in forever, so I decided to pull it out and film it. All right, we're going to spin it back up to high speed and then spin it down because y'all can't hear the wind stream from this thing anyway. All right, check out the long spin down time. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. It's going to wrap it up for the production. I got more fan videos coming soon, the Lord willing. The Lord says the same. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Lamont the Fan Man, and out. Good night. Enjoy the long spin down time.
I believe your harassment claim, I don't think it just fails. I think you brought it in bad faith. I think you were trying to manufacture a lawsuit because you thought you hit the litigation lottery. Not today. Direct me to your best evidence of this man's harassment that you believe supports a $10,000 claim.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity because she doesn't give me the opportunity to ask.
Don't waste my time trying to insult my colleagues. I need you to show me.
Now, you're not going to get that off no ball. I'm not going to get that off no sleeve bearing. You only get that from a ball bearing motor. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Lamont the Fan Man, and out. More videos to come soon, God willing.